Hey folks, still working on all the things. This might look a little differently today. The primary camera that I used to shoot this overlay isn't working for some reason. My Canon D6, I left it out in the car overnight and the batteries obviously died, but it got down to like 12 degrees outside and I'm hoping it didn't kill that camera. That was a very expensive camera. Hopefully it's just a battery issue. I'll charge them up and we'll be good to go. If not, I will be a very sad person because that was an expensive camera and I'll have to send it off to get it fixed. But so this one will look a little differently. Sorry about that. Or it might look exactly the same. I don't know yet. Anyway, so I'm continuing to work on the right wing. I know it's been a little while since I posted a video, but really not a lot's changed. I didn't want to bore you guys with showing you the same thing that you've seen over and over and over and over again. But right now, as you can probably see in the background, lots of, weird monkey positions trying to rivet. It would be really great to have a second person to come out and help me rivet sometimes, but I don't always have that, and so you just kind of have to make do. Sometimes you have to be in weird positions and just make it happen, and that's what I'm doing. Got a lot of really good responses regarding my last video about the Dimpler versus the DRDD2 versus the Whack-A-Mole style C-frame, compression versus impact. And I think there are still some naysayers that are telling me that no, you didn't do it right. The impact Dimpler is better. You just have to do it over a larger skin. Okay. So what I will do is on the bottom of the wing skins, I will find someplace, I'm not sure where I can do one with the impact Dimpler and one with the compression Dimpler and give you the ultimate example. I'm still positive people, no, even if after I do that, you guys are going to go forward and say, no, you didn't do something else right. I am still of the opinion that the compression Dimpler works just as well. I'm not saying it works better. I'm just saying that most people say that the impact Dimpler is better than the compression Dimpler because of the sudden impact. And I'm saying no, they're the same. And in fact, I would argue that the compression Dimpler does give you more consistency just because it's the same travel every single time. Having said that, people say, yes, it's consistently bad every single time. So we'll see. So what I will do is I will do it over a large skin and that'll end the argument as far as I'm concerned. It will either be better or not, and we'll go from there. So I will be doing that here soon. Probably on the bottom skins, like I said, because I have not done those yet. So yeah, I'll do those on the bottom skins and hopefully that will settle the argument for once and for all. Finally, I have had to slow down just a little bit on building things, primarily because, well, I have a job now. I got an opportunity to go back into an old career field, not programming, not flying, but law enforcement. And I'm just going for it right now because I was bored. And bored is not a good place for Jason. Jason doesn't do bored well. So I'm doing that for now and still pondering doing the aviation thing real hard. But if the law enforcement thing stays fun, which right now I'm having fun, then I'll probably continue doing that. But that does mean, by the way, I have to slow down the number of days that I can come out here. The shifts I'm working are 12 hours long, so 12 hours, then a couple days off, then 12 hours. So it means I'm not out here every day. The other thing is money. Obviously, the law enforcement doesn't pay anywhere near as much as software engineering, so that has pushed my timetable out a little bit. Now I'm going to have a hard time hitting that 2020 mark like I really want to. I'm going to try, obviously, but that's going to be tough. So anyways, that's what's going on with me. I'm going to get back to it. I'm going to keep doing this thing. Looking forward to it. Again, I don't want to keep putting videos out there that you guys have already seen. I mean, this is stuff that you have already seen. You know how to dimple, right? You know how to put a rivet in and throw it. So with that, I want to engage you. What do you want to see? Is there something specific that you would like me to show you, questions you'd like me to answer? I'm more than happy to do so just because, I like building these videos. I like answering questions and I like learning because sometimes you guys ask me questions that I don't know the answer to. So if the two of us can have a conversation, you, me, and well, everybody else, if we can have a conversation and decide what you guys would like to see, I'm for it. So feel free to comment down below and let me know what it is you guys want, and I'll happily make that happen. So Thanks so much, guys. I'm going to get back to it.